Hey everybody, let's look at these words and translate them into math. All right, the first thing that we see is 4 subtracted from y. Now this is in your I&B on that hot pink sheet as a turnaround phrase because if you subtract 4 from y, your y needs to come first. That's how you're going to subtract 4 from it. Then we have is greater than 12. Well, is greater than is the symbol that doesn't look like my boyfriend. It looks like this. It's not looking like an L. And then we have 12. So we would have y minus 4 is greater than 12. Since it has this symbol, it is an inequality. So A would be the inequality. So now we go to B. The product of C and negative 3. Product means to multiply. So we're going to multiply C times negative 3. Then we see is the same as, well, that's equals. And then we have the quotient of D and 2. So to write quotient, that's division. So we would have D divided by 2. Now I will say this would have been fine. It's better to write this a little bit more algebraically, which means the best way to write this would not be C times negative 3, but negative 3C. And we really start to get away from this division sign in algebra and we use a division bar. So this would have been really awesome if you had written it this way. Since this has an equal sign, that makes it an equation. Equal equation. All right, and finally we have this phrase, the sum of. So sum of means we're going to be adding two things. We have x squared. That is x to the second power, and 17 would come here. Since there's no equal sign and no inequality symbol, that is just an expression.